How to compress PDF file size without losing quality. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search I love PDF. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the first link that pops up and then click on compress files. Select PDF files that you want to compress. After that, you'll find three options: extreme compression, recommended compression, and less. Simply click on recommended and then press on compress PDF, which is located on bottom right corner of your screen, and then click on download compressed PDF, and this PDF will be downloaded. As you can see, it is showing your PDF are now 27% smaller. It was originally 12.95 KB, it's 9.56 KB. This is how to compress PDF file size without losing quality. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.